know, hey, hey, see I'm a hustling little dude and my bitch is too, yeah, I know, they try to.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday. It's like 2 o'clock and we about to start cleaning. I've been back from Jamaica for about 6 days. Yeah, tomorrow make a week. And the house is still in disarray. So we're gonna clean it up because I think I want to do Vlogmas. And this might be Vlogmas episode 1. Might. I don't know yet. We're gonna see. But yeah, we about to start cleaning up because I think I want to do not Vlogmas. We might do Vlogtober. But I don't want to do Vlogmas. So I want to have the house kind of like already ready. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna start cleaning up. I'm gonna start cleaning up back here in my room, and it is a total disaster, but that's okay because we're gonna get it together. Okay, you and we're gonna get it together. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna start. It's a lot of clothes everywhere. I took the covers off the bed yesterday and started washing them, so they're all clean and ready to be put on the bed. And yeah, this is coming out of here. Blue is coming out of here because it's gonna be fall, so we need fall colors, but they haven't come in yet, so maybe y'all see that in the Vlogtober. But yeah, so let's clean up. I'm gonna get some lip gloss first. My lip is dry, and then we're gonna start cleaning up. So let's go. Finally, now we gotta get all this other stuff off the floor, y'all. It's so much stuff. It's like, yeah, we gotta get it done though. So I think I'm gonna start. I don't even know where I'm gonna start. I don't know. I'm just gonna start. Cause girl, what? back from the grocery store. Today is Sunday, by the way, October 1st. I just came back from the grocery store. And we finna cook, okay? I'm finna make a little TikTok too, because I made a TikTok last week. And the people was like, okay, so I'm gonna make another one. Today, we making, now we brought the back. See, that's why we gotta clean up. Today, we making, don't worry about my calves. I tell y'all this, and I'm finished, but we making jerk chicken, jerk rice, broccoli and rice, no, broccoli and cheese. And I got some Hawaiian rolls and some strawberry white chocolate cookies. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. I really need my other tripod. I really need to find the piece to this tripod so I can put the camera on the other tripod and I can make my TikToks at the same time. Doesn't that make sense? That make a lot of fucking sense. I'll be back. Let me see if I can find the other piece.
Yeah, run up on big blow, you want, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon here like Mayweather, Tula come through and blow a hole. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in, coming, fuck 'em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out a parachute. I'm geeked on next week, back no more features, I might just start you. I'm geeked on next week, back no more features, I might embarrass you. Yeah, glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Yeah, glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Yeah, glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. Yeah, glow, no competition, these bitches stale, ho. Yeah, glow, curving, no curving, my shit in layers, ho. Yeah, glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Yeah, glow, keep running circles around these snail, ho. Yeah, glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Big glow, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. Quick to crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks gon' keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky bitch when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Yeah, glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Yeah, glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. Yeah, glow, no competition, these bitches stale, ho. Yeah, glow, curving, no curving, my shit in layers, ho. Yeah, glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Yeah, glow, keep running circles around these snail, ho. Yeah, glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Go run. Fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Yeah, glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Yeah, glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. Yeah, glow, no competition, these bitches stale, ho. Yeah, glow, curving, no curving, my shit in layers, ho. Yeah, glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Yeah, glow, keep running circles around these snail, ho. Yeah, glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Go run.
Hey y'all, and welcome to a new video. So today is Sunday, and this is probably my first Vlogtober video, and we're doing fall decor in the living room. So as you can see, I've already taken all the cushions off the couch. They're over there. I've already vacuumed, and I just went to the dollar store and got some more fall decor. I ordered some new stuff off Amazon, but I did get some fall decor out of the dollar store. So, you know, shopping on a budget, because when Christmas come around, I'm taking it all out and putting new stuff in here. So there's no use of spending a lot of money. So I'm about to set y'all up. We about to okay, we're gonna do the living room first, because I got new stuff in my bedroom as well, but we're gonna do the living room first. And we're cleaning up everything, so it's a lot of cleaning to do. So yeah, let's get to. My new rug isn't here yet. I ordered off Amazon, it'll come to Tuesday. So I'm gonna take this other rug up and do all the decorating. So when the rug come in, I can just put the rug down. I ain't gotta do all that extra decorating. See? Killing two birds with one stone. But yeah, we're finna go ahead and get started with the living room. So let me find somewhere to put y'all, but y'all not in the way, but y'all can still see. So these are curtains that I got from Amazon. They are in the color rust, and they blackout curtains. So we're gonna take these curtains down and put these up. You. How are you, madam? Hi, how are you? Haven't seen you in so long. Oh my gosh, it's like I'm seeing a whole new person. Oh my gosh. So question, I'm redoing my living room. Should I leave the blue up and just put the gold on the outside since that's the color I'm doing for Christmas? Or I'm gonna take the blue down and just put the blue back up for Christmas? Cause I kinda like this. Take the blue down. Let me see you. Oh, yeah, hold just one moment, please, ma'am. They're gonna look like this. Oh, I'm gonna get some for Christmas. Well, you need them now. You gotta get the blue up. So take the blue down now and put it back up for Christmas. Cause it's fall, y'all. You gotta get your fall stuff here. I just spent $80 in the dollar store. I got a whole lot of decorations. You probably spent. Let me see. Oh, you gotta wait till I get to that part. Cause see, I'm currently vlogging on my camera for YouTube. You know. So tell YouTube hi. How much money YouTube paid you this month? Hold on. I'll do blue for Christmas. So for October and November, we're gonna do this. And then for December, we'll do that.
When y'all trying to go? Yeah, I know you bought me a different liquor bottle, baby. No, I ain't ask about nothing, baby. Nothing.
Look what I got in my hand.
I'm always on fire.
Well, you would have to get you some egg right.
Look at this big old rebel flag.
Now we gotta go 4 miles.
Look at this big old rebel flag. I know I'm going.
Man, we'll be 8 o'clock in the morning, baby.
Ain't no cable here.
Don't need baby step.
Ain't no cable here where he gonna watch the game at. Baby, I ain't had cable in 3 years.
You need to get your watch on. You can do it on YouTube TV.
Yeah, that's something you gotta subscribe to, ain't it?
Yeah, if you got YouTube and all that, come on. We take for a spin.
This is my 6 sheets, y'all.
Hey, is it automatic? It ain't got no same sheet. Oh, shit. Not the same sheet.
Got me a comforter too.
Too much talking. Hold up. Okay, your side ass right off that bed. Fuck with them steady.
It's okay, you're gonna get up and get back in the bed. It's alright. You ain't never fell out the bed before. You fell out the bed before?
I got to talk to my law here now.
Oh, okay.
Amp, is the truck automatic?
It's automatic.
You let me take it for a block too?
You take it for a block or two.
Hey.
He just don't know.
That's cute,
In the club with my twin, we be vibing. Oh, I'm finna finish cleaning up. I'll show y'all when I'm through. Everything here but the rug. The rug won't be here till Tuesday, but at least I had a hard part done.
You just couldn't wait.
Peace.
Okay.
So I'm about to put the new pillows on the couch. These are the pillow covers that I got from Amazon. And if you know, you know. The pillow covers, they don't sell pillow covers now. It's hard to find the pillows with the cover on them, but that's fine because I change my living room a lot, so pillow covers work just fine for me. I also ordered some pillows to go in the covers because I got some, but I kind of wanted them to be like new and fresh, so I ordered some pillow covers. Yes. So these are the pillows. I was hoping they'd be a little more plush, kind of like 2 of them put together, but they're not. So we're just gonna roll what we got. And my camera might die, but I got another battery, so when it dies, I just switch it out.
If I